In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to exit TradingView full screen. Have you ever found yourself immersed in a detailed analysis on TradingView, maybe scrutinizing every candlestick and indicator in full screen, only to struggle when it's time to switch back to your regular view? Worry not, because today I will guide you through one simple step that will make your TradingView experience smoother and more efficient. Imagine you're fully engaged in your analysis, and you need that full screen mode to focus without distractions. It helps by offering a wide, uninterrupted view of your charts and data, enabling you to see detailed patterns and trends that might be missed in a minimized view. However, there comes a point when you may need to exit this mode to maybe compare different charts side by side, check notifications, or record additional notes. Here's the easiest way to exit the full screen on TradingView. All you need to do is press the Escape key on your keyboard. Yes, it's as simple as that. Just a gentle tap on the ESC key, commonly located on the top left corner of your keyboard, will immediately take you out of the full screen mode. This action instantly shrinks your window back to its standard size, allowing you to access all the other functionalities of the platform without hassle. Being able to quickly switch between full and regular screen modes can vastly enhance your workflow, making it easier to navigate between different tools and information on TradingView. Speed and efficiency are crucial in trading, and minimizing time spent on technical adjustments leaves you with more focus on what's essential, making informed decisions based on the data in front of you. As a quick note, if you're using a laptop or keyboard without a dedicated ESC key, you may want to check if there's an alternative hotkey specific to your device or software that performs the same function. Touchscreen devices, for example, might use swipe gestures or on-screen buttons, so just keep that in mind. For maximum effectiveness, knowing your device's capabilities can be a game changer. And that's it. With just a single press of a button, you're back to business, efficiently switching your display, ensuring that your focus stays where it matters most. This straightforward method ensures a seamless and frustration-free experience on TradingView, an essential tool for anyone serious about trading. So next time you find yourself deep in analysis, remember how easy it is to pop back into standard view with just one simple key press. Thanks for tuning in, and may your trading sessions be insightful and successful.